Good afternoon, BillyJack on location in front of the Japanese looking temple over here by King Street. I'm not even sure what street I'm on right now. There's quite a few of these here. This is I think there's 6 that I've counted. They all seem to be about the same depth in each. This one's got some real interesting wood carvings I wanted to get a picture of. This is the first one I've seen with this large of the carvings in front of it. Maybe they had a little more money and could pay. Get over here to the side so I can see this. Oh, the windows at ground level here. Huge wood carvings though. Very nice. BillyJack over and out.